Anya, and today I really want to make some melting snowmen. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 3/4 cups of flour, add in a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. In a bowl with 57 grams of butter, add in a 1/3 cup of sugar and mix until well combined. Add in 1 egg yolk, add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Add your dry ingredients in 2 batches and mix until well combined. Roll out your cookie dough and cut into circles. Place on a baking tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. In a bowl with 1/2 cup of icing sugar, add in 2 tablespoons of milk and mix until well combined. Take a little bit of your icing and place it into a bowl and dye that orange. Melt some chocolate and place into a piping bag. Draw faces onto marshmallows. Take your orange icing and draw the nose. This is to represent the carrot. Continue doing this for the rest of your marshmallows. Spread some icing on top of your cookies and spread out a little bit. Place your marshmallows on top of your icing. Add some Smarties. And draw arms and hands for the melting snowman by drawing 1 long line and 3 smaller lines. Enjoy your melting snowman cookies!